Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Teach and Reach YouTube channel. Well, did you hear the latest news from VIPKid? It just came out like at 9 o'clock today. So, as of August 25th, which is today, VIPKid was just informed of the following required changes. Classes can no longer take place during the summer holiday, and we know that they have summer holiday up till August 31st. And so that means all classes from August 27th to August 31st, Beijing time, will be canceled. All impacted classes will be removed from your schedule at midnight on August 26th, Beijing time. These classes will be treated as student cancellations outside of 24 hours, student no-show 24 hours. So we won't be penalized, but we just won't have classes. So that means if you don't have anything planned for the weekend plan to sleep in. That's what I'm going to do. Actually, no, I'm not. I was actually fretting over this. I'm taking my dogs to an agility trial, and I usually don't teach on Saturdays, so that's fine. But on Sundays, I have class till 9 o'clock. And I'm like, oh man, how am I going to get to my agility trial? Well, I don't have to worry anymore because those classes are going to be canceled. So then I can just safely go to my agility trial. So the nice thing about it, all right, because I am a glass half full kind of person, the nice thing about it is that we're getting our weekends back, right? So if you've been working weekends and putting in long hours, overnight hours, and or even like waking up really early on Saturdays and Sundays, well, you're gonna have your weekend back because your weekends back because we can't teach on weekends anymore. I'm sure some of us will fill that in with like other kinds of side hustles, right? For me, I am going to truly enjoy my Sundays with not teaching anymore. So, all right, so then as of September 1st, classes can resume from Mondays to Fridays, Beijing time. Classes will no longer be able to take place during the weekend. If you currently have classes scheduled on Saturday or Sunday after September 1st, these classes will be removed from your schedule. So they're going to take all that away. All currently booked classes on weekdays on or after September 1st will not be impacted. You will also be able to open slots and receive new bookings on weekdays on and after September 1st. So basically, you can only teach on the platform from Mondays to Fridays, right, Beijing time, and it cannot be during like their school holiday either. So if something happens where there's a school holiday, nope, can't do that. All parents will be informed of these changes from their child's learning partner before August 27th. Please note that your students outside of mainland China are not impacted by these regulations, and we will work with them directly. So if you have students, like I have had students that actually live in New Zealand, um, Spain, and France, but I don't usually see them anymore. So, but they're not going to be impacted. So they could still take weekend classes, and that would be fine. So VIPKid says, we are incredibly disheartened to share this news as we've been optimistic that students would be able to continue taking classes during holidays and weekends on the VIPKid platform. I'm not sure why, because all the other companies are affected by it. So anyhow, it's just the next couple of days. And we already knew it was coming down the pipeline with the weekend stuff, right? I mean, like we already knew that from the update from a couple of weeks ago, but it's just happening a lot faster. Let's see. So they will keep updating us. If you are a VIPKid teacher, make sure that you are tuned in onto the VIP page, right? They have a landing page. If you go to the official page, or just go to your VIPKid, what you call that, portal, you'll see the update there as well. All right. Well, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Click on that bell so that you get notified of new videos, and like this video, comment on it, tell me how do you feel. So my feeling is that, yeah, I'm definitely going to be losing money, right? But I'm actually kind of relieved because I'm getting my Saturday, well, I already have my Saturdays back because my goal for myself this year was not to work on Saturdays, and so I've not been doing that. So I've not opened up slots on Saturdays, but I was still teaching Sundays. But now I'm kind of relieved because I'm getting my Saturdays and Sundays back. I'll just have to earn the money somewhere else. And I'm going to share with you what I'm doing with earning extra money to make up for the loss with VIP Kid, right? I will share that with you in the next video. But in the meantime, I want you to enjoy this weekend and all the weekends after sleep in. If you have not slept in for a long time, please sleep in and enjoy the weekend. Make full use of it. Those of you who are actually brick and mortar teachers, you're probably starting school or already started school. So use the weekend to rejuvenate, to kind of just like recover from the full week of school, or the impending start of school, and recover and enjoy and get some time to just relax, right, in bed, and just like hang out and just like not having to like get up in the weekend. So yes, I will be sharing with you what my plans are in my next video. So be sure to tune in. I'll see you then. All right, bye.